Despite a series loss to the Rays, the Yankees continue their stronghold on Major League Baseball's second-best record and now look ahead to a home series against Toronto. The bullpen has been an overwhelming strength of this team from the get-go, and the most dominant member of that group, a resurgent Dellin Betances. Over its last 29 1/3 innings pitched, the homegrown Yankee has surrendered just 2 runs in 30 games since May 27th. He has 50 strikeouts over that span, and opponents are hitting a minuscule .096 against the righty. In Game 1 on Friday night, Lance Lynn will make his 3rd start for the Yankees against New York native Marcus Stroman. Lynn is off to a sparkling start in pinstripes with a 0.54 ERA over 16 2/3 innings of work.
Struck him out swinging high fastball.
Saturday will feature Luis Severino opposite Toronto youngster Sean Reed Foley. It's been tough sledding for Sevy lately, but he's dominated the Jays in 2018. Over 3 starts, he's pitched to a 2.04 ERA with a 150 batting average against.
Severino gets him swinging.
And on Sunday, it's Jay Happ versus Ryan Baraki. Happ will be facing his former team for the first time and has been stellar over his first 3 weeks with the Yankees, going undefeated in 3 starts with a 1.89 ERA and 15 strikeouts.
Swing and a miss. That's a strong 7 innings for Jay Happ.
It's the dog days in the Bronx, Yankees and Blue Jays, and it starts tonight.